Okay, so first thing we do is open up Internet Explorer. We then need to enter the admin address, which is bammerforkids.co.uk/WP hyphen admin. Okay, then press enter. That will now take us to the login screen. So type in your username and then type in your password. Once you've done that, click on login. We've now successfully logged into the admin section, and the next step is to go to, on the sidebar, go to pages, and it will pop out a sub menu and select left click mouse on all pages. You'll then, on all these titles here are the actual pages. What you'll need to do is click on it. So for example, this is the home page. This loads up, and by default usually you're on the text tab. So you see a lot of code here. It doesn't look like the front page. So you left mouse click on the visual tab, and now it's looking more like the front page. And then what you do, you get a section, say let's say the lists, and say you want to edit something. And you can make an addition. Typing in. Once you've done that, you'll then need to save the page. If you scroll up to the top, which I just did from there to the top, on the right side you'll see a blue button. It says update. If I click on update, that page has now been updated. We'll just see if that change has come in. So just load the normal website, bammerforkids.co.uk, enter.
Hello, and thank you very much.
Just going to pause the video. So what we did, we made some changes. I actually added in and more, so you see the changes there. But of course, we don't want that there, so now we're going to do the same again, but remove that addition. So go back to the admin section of the site. Again, scroll down to where I've added, where I want to change. I'm clicking in there, so now the cursor is flashing, and I'm just going to use the delete key and take out those changes. Right, I'm happy with that. Click again, scroll to the top, and then I'm going to click on update. Okay, the page updated. Going back to the front end of the site, and now we need to do a refresh here on the front page.
Hello, and thank you.
Just pausing the video again, and once again you can see that change is updated. It's gone back to its original correct form: wrist locks, arm locks, comma, leg locks, dot. Okay, once you've done that, you're happy with the changes you've made, you can either actually close the page by clicking on the tab to close the admin side, or you can go to the top right and you see I'm logged in as Stephen Cartwright. By just moving my mouse there, I can then select log out, and that concludes